I'm Jodianne.
And I'm Jardine.
And we are
Destination Relationship Specialists at Rosal Developments Limited. So Mother's Day is fast approaching, and we are in the process of preparing what it is that we can do for our mothers. So we are going to be sharing some tips with you on how it is that we can still celebrate our moms from the comfort of your own home. So Jody, share with us, what are the tips that we're going to be doing today?
So today, Jardine, we will be showing our viewers, of course, beautiful table settings that they can prepare just in the comfort of their homes. In addition to that, we will speak with our own in-house chef with regards to delicious and quick meals that you can whip up right there. Along with that, how to make the perfect drink to go with that. So stick and stay.
We're going to show you how to do a fresh flower centerpiece. All you will need is a vase that you can fill with water. And if you have a garden, go outside, pick some fresh flowers. In this case, we did hibiscus and bougainvillea, and place them inside the vase with water. And voila! So we went ahead and set 3 places at the table, and now we're going to show you how we achieved our simple yet elegant look. We're not doing table linen, so we're going to do placemats instead, gold charger for visual effects, and our dinner plate. Now Mom is going to expect a 3-course meal, so we're placing a dinner fork, a dinner knife, and a soup spoon at the top. If, like us, you're not doing a table linen and you want to protect your table, then you can place coasters down before you place your water goblet and your champagne float. Well, we're doing champagne for Mom. Now for the fun part, folding the napkin. Here we're showing you how to do a simple tri-fold. Well, if you're going to do a menu card, we're going to show you how to do a 4th fold where you can insert your menu card so Mom can know what to expect for the meal. Perfect. Now this concept was designed for outdoors or backyard or even a patio, so you may experience high winds. We've just placed a simple crystal ball on our napkin to hold our napkin down in the event that happens. And here we go, a beautiful table setting.
Hi guys, so this is Jodianne, and here with us we have our in-house chef, Anthony Stewart. He will be explaining the 2 fabulous dishes that you can prepare right in the comfort of your homes. Hi chef, how are you?
I'm good. Nice to be here.
Thank you, you're most welcome. So can you expound the 2 dishes that we can prepare right at home with items that we can find just in our cupboards or fridge?
Absolutely. It's Mother's Day, and all praises goes out to Mother. And with my mother being in her 90s, I want to make something simple, something quick, something easy, with a little health touch to it. You know what I mean? Because as much as we want Mother to be special and treat them great and all of that stuff, we also want them to live longer. And the health aspect is what is going to do that. I was thinking of taking my mother out to dinner, but of course, COVID-19 is here. So I am planning to do a corned beef and macaroni casserole. Why? Because she loves corned beef, she likes macaroni, but I'm also going to throw in it some callaloo to add that nice vegetable dimension to it. And all I'm going to do is to cook up my corned beef, boil my macaroni, combine them with my cooked callaloo, mix them together, put them in a square earthenware dish, pop it in the oven at 375, add some cheese to it, and that's going to be dinner. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and I would say take 10 to 15 minutes to do. That I'm sure she's going to enjoy because she liked every ingredient that's going into it. So, the key is not to stress yourself, is to just make it simple, quick, easy, and spend that quality time consuming it with Mom.
And I love that. And guys, these are all items that you can find right at home, of course. And so Chef, I want to ask, for those persons that want to know about the calories for all these items that we just discussed, can you give us an idea of how much calories this would probably add up to?
All right, I'm glad you asked that question. The calories going to depend on what you call a serving, okay? Obviously, the corned beef is a little salty, so it's going to be high in sodium. So you want to do the macaroni without salt. So when you combine them, it sort of break down the sodium content. The same is true with the callaloo. Add no salt to it or less salt, and when you combine it, that is going to help to tone it down. A dish like this, 6 to 7 ounces, is what I would recommend as a serving. It is going to be filling because of the carb in the macaroni and the saltiness in the corned beef as well. I would put at around 289 calories for a 6-ounce serving, which is really nothing, because the body is going to metabolize way more than that.
Right. And then this we can have as a dinner option, you said.
You can have it as a dinner, you can have it as a lunch, and leftovers. You can use that leftovers to make so many different things. You can add it to a salad, you can add it to a sandwich, you can do a lot of things with the leftovers. So, and it freezes very well, I might add that too.
Nice. And so what is the other meal option that we can recommend to our viewers?
And everybody loves chicken. And it's either curry chicken, jerk chicken, chicken this, chicken that. And I say, you know what? Let's just do baked chicken. But rather than taking it out and making a gravy for it, let's just take a pack of coconut milk powder or a can of coconut milk, chop some onion and garlic and tomato in it, mix it up a little bit with a hint of jerk sauce, pour it over the chicken while it's still in the oven, and that is going to simmer and stick to the chicken, and you're going to have pretty much like a chicken bundle. It's going to be simple, easy, less fat is going to be in it, and you can throw some cabbage in it if you like. Just shred some cabbage, throw in it. It's a one-pot meal. It's done in the oven. It's going to take you around 30, 35 minutes at the most to do it, and you're ready to go.
Well, Chef, for those persons who do not want to use the oven, what is the alternative option that we can do on the stove burner?
Well, do the brown stew chicken. So you can, for baking it, it's going to be a little healthier. But if you want to do the brown stew chicken on top of the stove, that's absolutely fine as well. Brown your chicken, drain the fat, do the same mixture of coconut milk with garlic and onion and tomato and a little bit of jerk sauce or scotch bonnet pepper. Pour it over it, some vegetables if you want, cover it and allow it to sit to perfection.
Excellent. So Chef, I'm going to put you on the spot. You shared with us 2 meals earlier, the chicken meal and the corned beef casserole. Love those. My mom in particular, she hinted at me and told me what she wants for her Mother's Day meal, and that is a fish meal. So could you share with me something quick, easy and simple, and bear in mind that I am the one cooking it, right? So very, very simple. Tell me, what could I whip up for my mom on Sunday that she would be impressed with?
Do you have wine at home?
I have wine.
Good.
Wine was on the list.
Wonderful. So all you need to do is a simple brown stew fish. Fry your fish, take it out, drain the fat, just deglaze it with some wine, red wine or white wine, whichever you like, and have a glass of wine for yourself, by the way. And what will accompany that as a perfect balance is some mashed Irish and sweet potatoes. So you just boil both potato, sweet potato and Irish potato and mash them. Or better yet, some mashed potato, sweet potato, mashed Irish potato and pumpkin. Blend those together, serve it with some vegetables, probably some beets and carrots together to sort of make the plate that nice and very nutritious as well. I'm sure she would love that. So just simple things like that, things that you have at home, things that you like. My philosophy in cooking is, if you like each ingredient by themselves, when you combine them, there's a good chance you're going to end up with something that you really enjoy. And it always worked out for me.
Yes. Chef, your philosophy is true because I admire and love your cooking. It is said, in celebration of Mother's Day, it is said that mother's cooking is the greatest, right?
And I believe that.
Yes, and your cooking comes very, very close, right? I love it very much, so thank you for sharing that with me. And Chef, I am still savoring one of the events, or one of our last events that you hosted for us, where we had our rum tour, Jody.
Correct.
You were the plan on that one, and that lemon quiche chicken.
Lemon pepper chicken.
Lemon pepper chicken.
With sweet chili.
I am still savoring that chicken, chef. Right?
I'm glad you
so,
enjoyed it.
to all our viewers, what is better than us sitting here talking about cooking is our executive chef actually cooking the meals for us. And chef, we are looking forward to when you are back in the kitchen and making preparing meals for us and cooking with love.
I look forward to that as well. And may I just say, in celebration of Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. And remember, yes, your biological mother is your real mother, but there are other people that does motherly things as well. And so this goes out to all the mothers out there. It might be a teacher, it might be a nurse, it might be just somebody in the neighborhood who takes care of us when we were growing up. I consider them mother as well. Happy Mother's Day.
Excellent. So happy Mother's Day to everyone. All right. And for those of us who want to know and learn more, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because our executive chef, Mr. Stewart, will be back in the kitchen and he will be cooking for us soon. So stay around and subscribe for updates. Hello again, everyone. So as mentioned, today we're going to be sharing with you some beverage tips that you can make from the comfort of your home to enjoy with mom. Here at Rosal Developments Limited, when you book your weddings and events with us, you have the option of 3 bars. You can do our medium, our basic, and our premium bar. Today we're going to be showing you an option from each bar selection. And we have today with us our very own mixologist, Carson, who's going to be showing us how it is that you too can make this from home. So, Carson, welcome.
Yes,
How are you?
Pleasure to be here. My fellow Jamaicans, we're going to make just simple pina colada. You know, fun in the sun, you know, that's like a virgin drink. Well, you know, we could go with, you know, a nice Mother's Day, you know, presentation.
Yes, yes.
So yes, I'll just walk you through and show you what's going on.
Excellent.
Okay, we're going to make our pina colada. That's if you have any coconut milk, you could use that. But we have our premium mix. It's CPJ pina colada. It consists of coconut, pineapple. But if you don't, you could use just your simple syrup and your coconut milk, you know.
Very good, very practical.
so-
And just any blender, this is a blended drink,
Yeah.
Carson.
It's a frozen, yeah.
It's a frozen drink.
Very
So,
good.
any particular blender that you have to use, or just any blender that you have at home? Any tips on the blender?
Well, you got strong blender. Any blender can use it. It depends on the ice. You know, these are very thick ice. You know, you want to crush it if you can.
Okay.
And we're gonna add our simple milk. Yes, and with that.
So you said simple milk. Any milk, Carson? Just regular milk?
Just regular milk, low
Very
fat.
good.
It depends on what type of milk you go for.
Wonderful.
Yes. And then you're gonna have a little pineapple juice
Okay.
to add a little more flavor to it.
Okay, so that's how you get the flavor. So you can
Yes.
choose any kind of juice. Banana, mango, it's mango season.
Well, you can. That would be a different type of pina colada.
Okay.
Well, yeah. There you go. You know, improvising, making your own touch of
Flavor.
drink. Yes.
Love it.
And then you go ahead and blend. And there you
Mama's
go.
gonna love this.
Yes, and then if you have rum cream at home, you know, you could add a little, or even your white rum, you know, put a little booze in your toes. Again. Yeah. All right.
Excellent.
There you
Whatever
go.
it takes to keep the spirits up is
Definitely.
very good at this time.
Yeah, well,
Wonderful. So that's our frozen option that anyone can do at home. And look how lovely this is.
yes. Now we're gonna make something just non-alcoholic.
Very good.
Yeah.
For those who do not drink alcohol, this is something for you. Will we need the blender for this one, Carson?
No, we're just gonna do it from scratch. We're gonna build it.
Very good.
We're gonna add some ice.
Awesome.
I know we Jamaicans like you know, to have a little syrup in their cupboard. You know, this is cola champagne. I know people love strawberry.
Very
so
good.
what we're gonna do is add some pineapple juice. If you have a shaker at home, you could shake it, or you know, just a little, you know, your spoon to stir.
Wonderful. And what is that one now?
This is pineapple, and we add orange.
Okay, pineapple and orange.
Well, I'm using cola champagne, just a little different touch.
Very good. And I must highlight, I love the container, our very own mason jar.
Yes, definitely.
So for persons who want to, when we do have our events, this is an option that you can use for your signature drink.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Awesome.
Tropical, nice, you know.
May I try?
Definitely.
I feel like I really want to try this one. And what is the name of this one, Carson?
That's Fun in the Sun.
Fun in the Sun.
Yes, Fun in the Sun.
Excellent. Very good. I love it.
Yes.
And it has no alcohol in it, Mom. Thank you.
Right.
Very good.
Well, the next one now we're gonna do something with some alcohol, which this is our blue caracal.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is also another local. Is this a local liquor?
Yes, it's local. Little free. Gonna have little pineapple juice to this.
Very nice. And again, we can add any juice you have in your fridge.
Any
Pineapple
juice.
juice, apple juice, cranberry, anything you have. I love that.
Yes, definitely.
All right, and this is another non-alcoholic option, or you can add
Yes,
alcohol,
add alcohol to it.
if you like.
Yes, yeah, just blue caracal and a little pineapple juice, you know,
Very good.
and there you have it.
Excellent. I see this going very well with the meals that Chef spoke with us earlier about. So this is wonderful. Carson, thank you so much for taking the time to share these tips with us.
Definitely, it's
All
a
right?
pleasure.
Excellent. And to everyone, I really hope you have an amazing day with your moms coming up on Sunday. Even though we are at home, we still can do so much with our moms. And whenever it is that we can again, we look forward to hosting you here at Rosal Developments Limited. Thank you. Hello everyone. Thank you for taking the time to view our video. We hope you found this information useful and practical as you prepare to celebrate your mom this Mother's Day.
Yes, and you can view the recipes that we have provided earlier today on rosehall.com or on our Instagram page, Rosehall Weddings and Events or Rosehall Jamaica. So you keep safe and happy Mother's Day.